Hello everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to fix Cash App won't allow me to add my card to Apple Pay. So let's get started. So the first thing that you can do is to check your billing address. Make sure that it appears on your iPhone exactly as it does on your financial institution. This is because sometimes the billing address on your Cash App and on your Apple Pay is different, so you may face some problems. For example, make sure the second field named Street isn't filled out if there isn't a second field listed on your Cash App, and also make sure all the abbreviations are same. If that doesn't work, then what you can do is try contacting customer support of Cash App. So go to Cash App and log into your account. Once logged in, on the top right hand side you'll see your profile icon. Tap on it. Once in here you'll see an option for support. Click on it, and now here you'll see an option for chat. Tap on it and you can send a message to the customer support explaining them your issue, and hopefully they will help you in fixing it. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.